Aloha, this is Adelle Brianne. Thanks for tuning in today. I am just going to do a quick little video to express my gratitude to everyone so far who has purchased my book today. It is the release of Magnetic Abundance, which is the very first book that I've co-authored. So co-author means that I am one of many authors. There are not many, but there was more than one. And so we all contributed a chapter to this book, and I'm so proud and honored and excited to be among these other incredible entrepreneurs who are sharing their stories in this book. And my publishing house is AMA Publishing, and I absolutely adore and appreciate my publisher. It's an incredible publishing model that, in my opinion, is somewhat of a hybrid between old school traditional and sort of new school self-publishing, where you kind of get the best of both worlds, where you get support and you also get to tell your story exactly how you want to tell it. You get editing, and they do a beautiful cover, and it's amazing. So I'm so grateful that I took a leap of faith and went forward with this opportunity and wrote my chapter, and my name's on the cover, and I'm just so excited. So if you haven't got a chance yet, it's only 99 cents. You don't need a Kindle. You do need an Amazon account. So you'll purchase it through Amazon for 99 cents. Your purchase today will help me become a best-selling author. So I really, truly do appreciate your support so much. This is what the cover looks like. So if you're on Amazon, this is what it should look like, right? And I'm so excited. Thank you so much for supporting me in my journey and being here with me. And I love and appreciate you. And if you're interested in writing a chapter and contributing to a book, I'm starting to think that I might want to put a book together as well and bring together some other writers, and then maybe I want to bring a book to life. So I don't know if that sounds interesting to you and you might want to be part of my book and be an author, then you should definitely contact me and let me know that you're interested, because this has been really amazing, and I think that I want to facilitate doing this for other writers as well. So, oh my gosh. Thanks so much, and I'll talk to you soon. Aloha. Oh, and happy St. Patrick's Day, Irish Pride.